Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make chopsticks with mushroom and onion gravy. This is a slow cooker meal, but we're going to do a little cooking on the stove first and then throw her in the crock pot. So, sounds good. Hang out and we'll get busy cooking. Alright y'all, start this out. Got my frying pan here. We got it up, melted some butter in there and got it on a medium-high heat. We're just going to take our burger patties and we're just going to try to sear them on the outside just to seal them in, seal that flavor in. Alright, I'm going to turn the temperature up just a little bit. Like I said, we're just going to try to sear these in. We're not trying to cook them all the way through. So, while they're cooking, I'm going to add me a little bit of Tony's, because I like a little bit of spicy. And I'm going to add a little steak seasoning. Take my spatula, just kind of pat it down there a little bit, trying to get them spices to stick. Alright. Alright, let's flip them over. See what they look like. They're coming along nicely. Do a little more of that steak seasoning on this side. Alright. Alright y'all, I'm going to get these all seared up and then we'll bring you back when we get them done. Alright y'all, I got these cooked up. That's how I wanted them. I'm just going to drop them right down in my slow cooker here. We're going to throw a couple more in here, because I want 6 total. And while we're searing these ones up, I'm going to throw some mushrooms in the pan here, get them sauteed up. And we'll do a few more. And I got some onion over here. I'll throw them onion in there. Start getting them softened up. Put a little bit of our steak seasoning on here. A little bit of the Tony's. Alright, well we got them ones over there. We're going to go ahead. There it is. We're going to put some wooden tire sauce on here. Throw that down in the bottom of the pan, or in the bottom of the crock. So, alright, let's flip these suckers over here, see what they look like on the other side. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Awesome. A little more of the steak seasoning. Alright. Move these mushrooms and onions around here a little bit. Now we're going to put the
rest of them patties in the freezer so we can have them for later on down the road. Alright, I'm going to work on this and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Got those other 2 patties all cooked up in there. Getting our mushrooms and onions cooked up. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and throw me a heaping spot of garlic in there. Can never have too much garlic. We like garlic. Alright. Now, might as well throw everything in there. Finish off the jar. Alright. Get that all mixed up in there. Alright, I think that's about done. We don't want to burn this stuff, we just want to make it fragrant. Oh, that's awesome. Turn the stove off there. We're going to move our patties out of the way. Bring that up here. We're going to scoop this stuff up and throw it down in the crock. Get all that goodness in there. We're going to go ahead and just dump it. Make sure we get all that gravy out of there. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Alright. Get that scraped off there. Get that in there. Ooh, that tastes delicious. Alright. I'm going to get the stove cleaned up. Get the bottom of the crock ready to go. I'm going to get these cooking. And get this cooking. And we're going to cook it for about 4 or 5 hours on low. Just to finish cooking them patties in there. We're going to mix up some gravy. Yes, I said mix. Dump that in there. Cook it for probably another hour. So y'all hang out. And it'll be just a second for you. Be 4 or 5 hours from me. Oh, and by the way, if y'all see back here, my stove ain't dirty. We had a little accident with the air fryer. I'll get into that a little later. Alright, y'all, it's been a little bit. Got my gravy kind of mixed up here. It's a little on the thin side, but it'll be fine. It will thicken up. We're just going to dump that right over top of our patties. I'm going to throw the lid back on and let her keep on cooking. So, back to the story of the air fryer. I was warming up chicken wings the other night, leftover ones, and had it sitting here on the stove like I normally do. Wasn't paying attention. Slid it back to get the basket out, and I must have turned the burner on back there. Didn't think anything of it. Didn't see it was on because the air fryer set up higher than the knobs, and kept smelling something. Luckily it was down on low, and looked around, and lo and behold, the whole cord was melted. And that's what you see on the back of the stove there. I got to get a razor blade or something and kind of finish cleaning it off. I did scrape a bunch of it off while it's still hot and sticky, but yeah, my air fryer has gone bye-bye, so that's okay. I've been wanting to get a bigger one anyways, so that's a good excuse to do her. So, alright, we're going to let this cook and we'll bring you all back later. Alright, y'all, our steaks are about done, but I decided I want some Brussels sprouts, so roasted Brussels sprouts. So, I'm going to put sprinkle a little total seasoning on here. I like this seasoning. It's got the onion and the garlic and some other stuff in there. It tastes really good, so I've never tried it on the Brussels before, but we're going to now. And I like Parmesan on mine, so I'm going to put a little bit of Parm on top here. Alright, we're going to pop these suckers in the oven and get them roasted up. And we got some hot water coming on back here. We're going to make some rice. And soon, it's going to be dinner time. So, hang on and we'll get back to you. Alright, y'all. The Brussels sprouts are done. Got our rice done. And of course our main dish meat here is done. So let's get some divvied out here so we can have something to eat. So I'm going to start here. Pull me out a couple of these hamburger steaks. Oh yeah, look at that. That is delicious. And I should have started with my rice, because I want to put my patties on my rice. So alright, there we go. Got a nice bed of rice down there now. Now we can put our burgers on our rice. How's that look? I think it looks delicious myself. Now I'm gonna grab another one of these patties out of here. Beef steaks. Oh yeah. Grab that spoon. Give me more of this gravy. Oh. Got them mushrooms in there. That is looking good, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, an escaping mushroom. Put it back here. Grab some of these. Oh, doesn't that look delicious, y'all? Give y'all a good look at that. Alright, I'm gonna grab me a fork. We'll do a little taste test.
Alright, y'all. Got our plate here. Got a little piece of that steak there. The flavor on that is delicious. A little bit of that rice. Got a little of the rice with the mushrooms there. Now for my Brussels sprouts. I like Brussels sprouts, especially roasted ones. That is good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There y'all have it. The chopped steak with the mushroom gravy and onions and a little bit of rice, side of roasted Brussels sprouts. Easy peasy. Cook it in the crock pot. One of my favorite tools here in the kitchen. So if y'all liked it, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down there if you did. Even if you didn't like it, leave me a comment down there. Tell me I'm an idiot. Whatever. You know, I'm a big boy. I can take it. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. We'll catch you all on the next one. And as always, bon appetit.